In northern Myanmar's refugee camps, children are often left alone to fend for themselves. Some of their parents have to leave to find work, leaving their children behind. Other parents have been killed in a long-running civil war which continues to take a heavy toll on Kachin state.
During the violence and attacks, the children can only run away and hide in the forest. They can't stay in the villages.
Maran Korn San is a volunteer who works in so-called child protection zones within the camps. They're places where the children can go and play and receive some basic education in a supervised environment. She knows exactly how some of the children are feeling. When she was 10, she watched her father being beaten and taken away by Myanmar soldiers. She never saw him again.
I wasn't able to study and ran away after my father was beaten. I also had 11 brothers and sisters, but I only have 4 left. The others died.
There are many problems facing the most vulnerable in the camps. In this site on the Chinese border, the water supply is becoming toxic. It runs through a large sugarcane plantation where pesticides are regularly used. Children have been developing rashes and diarrhea. Teenagers are also vulnerable to human traffickers who can easily take people across the border into China.
At least 4 of the girls nearly trafficking, so we have on time to save.
The two warring sides are holding more peace talks soon, aimed at reinstating a ceasefire that ended almost 2 years ago. Many of the children are too young to remember a time when Kachin state was peaceful. Wayne Hay, Aljazeera, Bangkok.